everyone, and welcome back to my channel. It's so great to have you back on board. Well, for those of you who are just tuned in for the very first time and don't know what this channel is all about, well, we're all about skincare and lifestyle. I give you skincare reviews, I give you product recommendations, and everything that has to do with skincare. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'm begging you, please subscribe. There's the link down below. Just press that, click on that subscribe button, that little hand, that, just subscribe. Okay, thank you. And so we are back. Thank you for subscribing. Today on the channel, we're going to be talking about skincare on a budget. So I have a couple of skincare products that I feel like if you really don't have money, you can still enjoy the luxury of pampering your skin morning and night, okay? And of course, throughout the day. So I have a couple of skincare products that are not high over the top money-wise, but will give you that amazing goodness that your skin needs. For those of you who don't know, I am all about Korean skincare. Korean skincare is very affordable compared to, non-Korean skincare. So they sink well into my skin, and natural ingredients. I'm all about natural ingredients, and they do a lot of natural ingredients. So I think it's totally amazing. Yeah. All right. So before I talk too much, let's go straight into why we're here. It's all about skincare on a budget. And so, especially if you're living in Nigeria, because of course I am filming all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. So if you're in Nigeria and you've been wondering, oh my gosh, I really need skincare on a budget, hey, I got you covered on that one. But if you're also outside Nigeria, it's still the same, okay? These products are easily accessible and affordable, so you don't have to break the bank in order to get these products, okay? All right, so I'm going to start with a cleanser. This cleanser is from a brand called TM. Now, this is a snail and azulene low pH cleanser, which I think is totally affordable, and it's amazing. It's really gentle. So if your skin is stressed, and if your skin is sensitive, you can use this cleanser. So it works for all skin types. So if you have dry skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have normal skin, if you have oily skin, this totally works. And I love the fact that it is 200 ml compared to other products that are not up to 200 ml, and this is 200 ml and it is quite affordable. What? So if you're looking for an affordable cleanser that will give you that rich luxury, okay, you should try this one. It is from a brand called TM, all the way from South Korea. Okay, so be on the lookout for this one. I'm going to be moving on to another cleanser. Now this is from the brand called COSRX. Okay, so COSRX, this is the low pH good morning gel cleanser, which is almost like the TM cleanser, but this one doesn't have snail in it. This cleanser is formulated with purifying botanical ingredients. This low pH formula works to soothe, refresh, and soften the skin without a stripping feeling. Okay, so both of them do not strip your skin. So after using them, you actually feel very moisturized and hydrated at the same time, which I think is totally amazing, because I am all about hydration. If you notice, all my skincare products gives me hydration, apart from every other thing, maybe the glow, brightening effects, pore care. Hydration is very important for me. So these two are the most affordable cleansers. So if you've got no money in your account, very little money, you should consider any of this. Okay, and then we move straight to toners. Okay, yes, this one is the Aquel toner. For some people, they'll tell you that using toners in their routine is not a must. Yes, for some people it's fine, it's not a must, but for me, I love toners because it preps my skin for the next steps of your remaining routine, your serums, your essences. So I think it's always amazing to have a toner in your routine and toner. So it does 2-in-1. It cleanses your skin and it tones your skin at the same time. So in order to use this toner properly, what you can do is get your cotton bud, put a little on the cotton bud and use it on your face. So when you check out the cotton bud, you see that there's still some dirt. It doesn't strip. So if you need a toner that is low pH, and also this toner is brightening because of the licorice ingredients in it, the licorice roots in it. So I think it's amazing for those of you that are looking for skin brightening products. You should consider this one also. Right, so for essences, this is an affordable essence. It's also from the brand called TM. This is the snail and azulene water essence. This is a 180 ml essence. It's as compared to the CosRX and maybe Benton. Benton is 60 ml. CosRX is 100 ml. But this is 180 ml and it is quite affordable. Not as expensive as the CosRX and the Benton. So this is something that you should actually consider buying. What it does, it is also for dry and sensitive skin. So if you've got dry skin, if you've got sensitive skin, you can enjoy this product. Especially if you have dry skin, you will love it because your skin will be hydrated. And if you've got sensitive skin, you could also enjoy this product because it doesn't have any fragrance and anything that affects sensitive skin people. This product doesn't have any of it. So you just enjoy the luxury of snail mucin and azulene water, which is amazing because if your skin is troubled, this also calms your skin and also moisturizes your skin. So this is an affordable and great essence to use if you are on a budget. So here we have the Isin Tree green tea fresh emotion. Now this moisturizer is one of my favorite. It is 120 ml and it is very, very hydrating and moisturizing. I love it because it is so light. It feels like a serum on your skin, and so it just feels like you're putting in water. It is very affordable compared to other skincare moisturizers out there. So this is one product that I think you should totally get. Okay, so put it up on your checklist. Okay, speaking about serums, this is one amazing serum that you should totally get. It's from the brand called TM again. This is the Vita B3 sauce. In other words, niacinamide. And you know what niacinamide does apart from helping you to brighten and even your skin tone? It also helps with acne care and pore care. So if you have any of these skin concerns, then I think you should consider buying this serum. It is very, very affordable and it's something that I think that you should always have in your skin care stash. I have used so many bottles I can't even count. So yeah, and we're moving to sun care. All right, so it's always good that after your routine, after everything, the last step of your routine has to be a sunscreen or a sun cream, but this is the Misha Aqua Sun Gel SPF 50. It is quite affordable. It is, to me, the most affordable sun care product out there. And it is also from South Korea. Of course, all the products I've been showing you today is from South Korea. And this one is an all-rounder. It's something that you totally need. And it's just a safe sunblock for you. So it's SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. So you should totally get it. Put it in your skincare stash. If you're on a budget, you should go for this one. It's another sun care brand that I think that you should totally get. It's 100 gram. It is the Sun Cut UV Perfect Gel Super Waterproof SPF 50 plus PA plus 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 plus. Okay, this product is quite affordable and it does what it's supposed to do. So apart from protecting you, it also feels like kind of waterproof, which I like. So and it's hydrating at the same time. So if you are thinking that, yay, Shine, thank you, well, thank you for watching this video, and so I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share this video. If you have any questions, go the link below and ask me any questions at all concerning this product, and I'll be there to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe and tell everybody pretty good news of healthy skincare, because Shine has got you. Bye.